Hello guys, this is Ramesh from Gears Chennai. Welcome back to another video. This time it's all about AGV and its visors. Before getting into this video, you must have watched the previous video of AGV which we showed all these versions of the helmets. Right now there are 6 new models which is arrived just now. The K3 version Glimpse, K3 version Liquify and K3 version Avior. These 3 are new arrivals in K3, and in K1 we have the soleluna Most Wanted and the K1 Gloss series as well as the matte version. So these 6 are new arrival. Now let's get into this video. 4 different color option visors for K1 and K3 helmets as well. The colors are, first one is silver iridium, second one is the smoked tinted version, the third is the blue, and fourth is a gold iridium. So we have 3 iridium and 1 tinted visor. So first let me tell you how to switch on visors for AGV K1. For switching the visor, you'll have to lift the visor first to the max position. On the ratchet, you'll have the red color knob right here. You'll have to pull it down and then take your visor out. That's it. Same applies for the other side as well. So once the visor is out, you can keep it aside safely. And now let me go with the gold one, which I wanted to see from a long time. Just insert the visor on both the sides on the same max position. Now slide the visor knob inside the ratchet. Once it's fixed, you'll have a tick sound on the end of the visor. Now it's good to go. So how does it look now? There's a complete changeover for the helmet, right? This is the complete gloss version of the black K1 and now with the golden iridium visor. Just have a closer look at it. This is my personal favorite color, the gold iridium. Let me have a look at it now. I personally prefer this one. Now let's change the other colors as well. So you'll get to know how the helmet looks with other different shades. Now let's switch smoke visor onto this. So it's done. Now you can have a closer look at this smoke tinted visor. This is also not bad, you know. It's looking classy. It blends with the same glossy finish in the front as well. Smoke is also good, looking good only. Now let's switch to blue. Now this is a blue iridium visor. How does it look? Becomes more sporty, right? I like this as well. Let me see in the final shot which one we like. Now let us switch the blue iridium to silver iridium visor. The last one is silver iridium, which is right here. Let's see how this goes with the helmet. It's done. Oh, the silver looks stylish with the helmet. Just have a closer look. It matches well with the helmet. It goes with the helmet. It looks super cool, right? Looks super sporty as well. Okay, let's come to a conclusion. My personal favorite is the gold one. I just loved it. It goes well with the helmet. It blends well with the helmet. It looked glorious with the helmet. It was classy as well. I would personally go for the gold one. Do let us know which visor of these you like the most, the blue, gold, the silver or the smoke one. Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, give it a like, share and subscribe. Before ending this video, definitely you guys would want to know the price of these visors, right? The price of these visors is 5,499 rupees only. See you all in the next video. Bye.